DNS and DHCP, essential services for CCNA professionals. DNS, or Domain Name System, is a protocol used to translate human-readable domain names into IP addresses that computers can understand. Without DNS, we would have to remember complex strings of numbers to access websites, making the internet a much less user-friendly place. How does DNS work? When you type a domain name into your web browser, your computer sends a request to a DNS server to resolve the domain name to an IP address. The DNS server then responds with the corresponding IP address, allowing your computer to connect to the desired website. This process runs in the background every time you visit a website. So, DNS is critical for internet communication. What is DHCP? DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is a protocol. It automatically allocates IP addresses to devices on a network. DHCP lets devices request and receive IP addresses. This simplifies network management and troubleshooting. Why are DNS and DHCP essential for CCNA professionals? CCNA professionals should know networking concepts and protocols, like DNS and DHCP. By mastering these services, CCNA professionals can configure and manage networks. They can also troubleshoot connectivity issues. What are the benefits of learning DNS and DHCP? Improved network performance. By knowing how DNS and DHCP work, CCNA pros can optimize networks. This ensures smooth communication between devices. Enhanced security. Properly configuring DNS and DHCP servers can help prevent cyber threats. It can also ensure the integrity of network communication. Conclusion. In conclusion, DNS and DHCP are vital for CCNA pros. They help in enhancing networking skills and expertise.